Well, it is winter time, as we all know, and we're having some major storms, and they're kind of getting freaky. But that also has to do with the solar maximum. It has to do with a whole lot of other stuff. This video is about 13 tricks to keep warm in the winter time. Also, just good to know all the time because you never know when you're going to have something cold come through, you know, a week or two after it's supposed to all be over with. So that is what this video is about. Hello, welcome to Off Grid Style. I'm Nikki. Let's get started.
13 tricks to staying warm. Staying warm during cold weather is not only about comfort, but also essential for maintaining health and well-being. This video shows 13 practical and effective tricks to help you stay warm, from lifestyle choices to home modifications and personal habits. Avoid alcohol and caffeine. Contrary to popular belief, alcohol and caffeine can contribute to heat loss. They both dilate blood vessels, leading to increased heat loss from the body. Choose warm beverages like herbal tea or hot water to stay cozy without compromising on hydration. Eat warm food. Consuming warm meals is a natural way to raise your body temperature. Additionally, spicy foods can help boost your metabolism and generate internal warmth. Install a door sweep. Installing a door sweep helps seal gaps, preventing cold air from entering and warm air from escaping. Use throw rugs. Hard flooring surfaces can contribute to a cold environment. Add throw rugs to your floors to provide insulation and create a warmer atmosphere. Place bubble wrap in your windows. An inexpensive and effective insulator, bubble wrap can be placed in windows to reduce heat loss. Simply spray water on the window, press the bubble wrap against it for a temporary insulating solution. Reverse ceiling fans. Ceiling fans often come with a reversible motor setting. During colder months, set the fan to rotate clockwise at a low speed. This helps circulate warm air trapped near the ceiling back down into the living space. Double your drapes. Layering your window treatments by using heavy curtains or drapes can act as an additional barrier against cold drafts. Closing them at night provides an extra layer of insulation. Use your oven for cooking. Take advantage of the heat generated by your oven during cooking. Plan meals that require longer baking times, and keep the oven door open after cooking to let the residual heat warm the kitchen. Wear thermal underwear. Invest in thermal underwear to keep your core body temperature regulated. Wearing a moisture-wicking base layer underneath your clothing helps trap heat close to your skin. Use flannel sheets and fleece bedding. Make your bed a cozy retreat by using flannel sheets and fleece bedding. These materials provide excellent insulation and retain body heat, ensuring a warm and comfortable night's sleep. Wear fleece or wool pajamas. Elevate your sleep comfort by opting for fleece or wool pajamas. These natural fibers trap heat, providing insulation that keeps you warm throughout the night without causing overheating. Switch to warm white light bulbs. Create a cozier atmosphere by switching to warm white light bulbs. The softer and warmer glow that they emit not only enhances the ambiance, but also has a psychological effect, making you feel warmer in your living spaces. Use a water bottle. Incorporate a classic and effective trick by using a hot water bottle. Place it in your bed or hold it close while relaxing for localized warmth. Easily recharge it with hot water for continued comfort.
there you have it. There are your 13 ways to keep warmer when it's freezing out. I really like the bubble wrap idea, and actually, that is a great SHTF idea as well. When you do need to insulate and you don't have central heat because electricity is not working, that is actually a great way. Also, the double layered curtains is also a good tip. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you think. I will always comment back. I think I try to. And I will see you again soon. Thank you.